Today I've been given this very heavy industrial bearing, and I have to separate the outer and inner bearing surfaces and recover all the ball bearings. So I think that's a job for the plasma cutter. Hopefully I can get it in there, cut out all the rivets that hold the two halves of the race together. Now let me take it out, move all the ball bearings and then remove the inside out. If not, I'm going to have to cut one of these sides off and scrap it. Okay, let's give this a go. Now, does that allow me to prise this part off? Mostly. These ones need a bit more plasma love. There we go, top and bottom separated. Now let's see if we can get the balls out. I was lied to. I was told if I moved all the balls to one end, I'd be able to move the bearing enough to get the centre race out. She's still tight. I'm going to try using a clamp and see if I can pull it over. There we go, 2 races, all the balls. Didn't have to destroy anything other than the 2 race carriers. Nice. I hope the customer's happy for his next project. What, these are fucking heavy. Here's some weighty ball bearings.